Good evening, everybody. If you don't know some, I don't know why you do. I am your son, your brother, your friend, the wounded civilian. I want to react or talk about our brother. Talk about our brother, Tony Kabaka. No, we are do. You see, you remember when this fight between Kabaka and the governor started? I was on the governor's side because to me, I believe the governor deserves respect, and Tony Kabaka is one of the people that work under Oshomole, who enjoy the Oshomole government, and he work under Lucky Benedict government too. So people like us feel now that you are not working under Obaseki now, you have to be patient. You are not the only person in Edo. See, I have other Edo youth. Let us still benefit from this one. Since you have benefited from Governor Lucky Benedict, benefited from Oshomole. Now that you are not benefiting from Obaseki, and maybe that is the reason why you are fighting him. And the way you talk, anytime you make video, you are not a good speaker. Somebody should advise you, don't talk. Whatever you want to do it secret. Talk less. Because these things you say is implicating you. Because every time you talk about party member, party, every time party. You struggle for party, you fight for party. If you don't, how you will save your party, not how you will save Edo people, not how the interest of Edo people, you don't talk about it. You don't know how to, you are not a good speaker. You're supposed to keep quiet, especially now that they have destroyed your house. Remember last year, I made a video here, I said, in Benin, I go, wow, we don't destroy house. When sometimes people will be fighting over land, maybe somebody will say how owns the land. Sometimes the person that make a foundation on it, who build on it, always win it. Because in Benin, once you're already building house, even though it's just foundation, not even up to little, they regard you as the rightful owner. I go over the door. Those are the things we keep telling our people. But the governor destroy a whole complete house. And some people say even you or Kabaka were also supporting Adam Oshomole when he was destroying people's house. They said even your brother's house, you were the one that was encouraging the governor then to destroy your brother's house. I don't know. You said you denied it anyway. But what I'm trying to say, people see what happened to you as scammer. Because I went to Nigeria for my father's burial. But before then, I made a video. I said, there are many ways of dealing with you. The governor can deal with you for insulting him, but he should not destroy your house. I made that video here last year. And a lot of people were insulting me. I shouldn't say that, stuff like that. And the very day they destroy your house, I was in Nigeria too. I went there. I saw it. I blame you that people here in Europe and in Americas, those people that call themselves social media presenters, are the one encouraging you, saying all kinds of things. But they are here in Europe. They are in America. But you are in Nigeria, destroying your house. Don't listen to these people. If you don't like the governor, there's a way you can fight the governor secretly. You will not even know you are the one fighting him. You don't show that you have power all the time. I blame you. But at the end of the video, I said those that is clapping now, present clapping, rejoicing because they destroy your house, they should be careful. They should be careful. Because I'm a buffet. I'm a giba also bug my door. Don't rejoice when your brother passing through pain. I know the governor destroying your house is completely unacceptable. It's not good. If you listen to that video went viral. I said it on that video. Destroying your house is not the right thing. They would have seized the house and turned the house to rehabilitation house for those homeless people on the street, those destitute children, motherless home, they can make use of it instead of destroying the house. So I condemn it. But today, I don't want to stay too long. It's to tell you the video you make, I think today or yesterday, I don't know. You don't supposed to talk like that. I will not say you don't know how to talk. I don't want to say that because I know you are not happy. But they just destroy your investment. I know why we don't feel like trigger. Building a house is not easy. A house, ordinary house, face me, I face you, 2 rooms is not easy. I know they said you got those money from when you were cutting tickets, revenue, intimidating people, they must pay this and that. That's where you get your money from. But at the end of the day, now where might they work? Now they go pay them. Now your luck. We have millions, people in government that are stealing millions. And the way they shouldn't have destroyed your house. That's to me. I said it before last year. The very day they destroyed your house, I think the following day I went there. But I drove there and I saw it. I made that video. I said, I blame you because you were really provoking the governor. You were challenging the governor. Really, you were challenging. You are still even challenging him now. He's the governor, my brother. But destroying your house, I condemn it. The video you made today, a sound mind, educated people, when they see the way you talk, it is so clear you are talking because of your pockets, your stomach infrastructure, what you will eat. You don't care about Edo people. You care. You always say your party member, that party member. Who give a shit about APC? That AP they will lose. APC will lose. If APC lose and so, his body is not APC. Look at Nigeria today. Youth like you supposed to be agitating for separation, agitating for restructuring. Honestly. APC lose. APC, if APC lose, so what? APC have been ruling that state for 12 years. Is it not okay for another political party to come in? That's the beauty of democracy. One party rule, go, let other party come. One party remain in power. APC have been ruling that state now for 12 years. If APC collect other 4 years, now it will be 16 years. You think after 4 years, now APC will still be there? You are shouting APC as if APC is important. In your video, you said APC did not score much for Buhari, win more people, during presidential election last year, that Buhari lose Edo. During the showman time, Buhari lose Edo, and Buhari continue to lose Edo. Who is Buhari? Who is nobody give a shit about your APC. I don't want to blame you because you are not happy. Me, I know how to build a house. I have my own hotel too. I have hotel. My own is a small hotel. Not that kind. Small hotel. I know how much I spend. Talk less of that. Your own is almost times 5, times 6 of my own. I know I spend here. Talk less of that kind of hotel, Well, let me play you something. The way you talk, something that you say, that is so implicating.
If we don't want to gamble with this election, Pastor Sagi Ezeyam, as I speak, Isan we embrace him. Isan we embrace. Isan people we embrace him. Aushi we embrace him. Edo we embrace him. And if Ezeyam happen to be the flag bearer of this APC, you will see a lot of people that will be deflecting to APC. A lot of people are waiting for Isaiah Yamu to, they are waiting for today to come. I want to tell you people, a lot of the youths have sacrificed for this struggle. A lot of party members have sacrificed for this struggle. A lot of party members have been neglected for after they work earnestly to make sure their candidates succeed. They suffer till today. They are worse than opposition. So I want to tell you, my people, my national chairman, I know you will not say a word, because if you will say a word, my father would have told me so. I want you to please stand well. When Obaseki were coming on board, we robbed that mandate. We robbed it. I'm telling you today. We robbed it and give it to Obaseki. Now, Isaiah has come to
You see, Kawaka don't know how to talk. Let me just go straight. How can you make a video and be telling Edo people that when Isaiah was decamped from APC 4 years ago to PDP, contested against APC, Obaseki, you are telling us what we know already, because then I was supporting Isaiah, because me, I believe in APC have done their own 8 years. Let other political party come saying, I don't care how corrupt they are, I don't care. Because I don't trust Oshomole. Oshomole 4 years was good. After 4 years, he was so wicked, he was begin to steal money left and right. So I want other political, so I support Isaiah. Isaiah is a family friend too. Now, you are telling us that you rob Isaiah, you ring that election, and he pulls Obaseki on Edo people. And the same you now telling Edo, the person that you robbed in PDP is now back to APC. What did you take Edo people for? Fools? That is the reason why a reasonable Edo man or Edo woman will say, to help with you, with even Obaseki, with Isaiah, and with Oshomole. What did you take Edo? How can you make a video like this? How can you talk like this, that you read that election in favor of Obaseki? You don't know, my brother, don't talk again. If you want Obaseki out for that governor to come and favor you,
they are waiting for today.
Don't talk like this.
I want to tell you people,
look at him.
A lot of the youths have sacrificed for this struggle. A lot of party members have sacrificed for this struggle. A lot of party members have been neglected for after they work earnestly to make sure their candidates succeed. They suffer till today. They are worse than opposition. So I want to tell you, my people, my national chairman, I know you will not say a word, because if you will say a word, my father would have told me so. I want you to please stand well. When Obaseki were coming on board, we robbed that mandate. We robbed it. I'm telling you today. We rob it and give it to Obaseki. Now, Isaiah has come to take his mandate. I beg you, this is not by whatever or whatever.
You see, Isaiah has come to take his mandate. He cannot take his mandate where he contested in PDP. God cannot favor him in PDP. The PDP he ran to. PDP is the now devil. God cannot favor, and he called himself pastor. God don't work there. God cannot favor Isaiah there. But he have to decamp again to APC. You guys are taking a do for a ride. Don't talk again, my brother. You're not supposed to be saying all this kind of thing. You are implicating yourself the more. You keep saying a struggle. What struggle? What struggle are you talking about? You keep saying party member, party member. You never talk about the poor masses. The poor masses that is languishing in pain. Poor masses that need government help. You keep talking about people you are talking about. You guys have been there stealing money. And you have these people, Europeans, Nigerians that live in America, singing hallelujah for you people. Me, I'm a son. I don't chop the money. I never chop out of none of the chopper. So anything I say, I'm not saying this for me to run, for you to put my brother there. Or I work with you. I'm just a free man. So I just tell you the truth. Your house will destroy. I know you are trying to fight now to remove Obaseki, let the government that will favor you so that they will rebuild your house and give you a place where you be, like normal, the way you used to do it on national level. No problem. But mind the way you talk. You don't know how to talk. All these things, you are implicating yourself. In a country where at least people reason well, or in a state where people reason well. I'm not saying I do that is what I'm trying to say. All these things you are saying, that's it. You, Obaseki, Izeyamo, to hell with all of you. Can you ring election after 4 years? You have the mouth to be telling Edo people that you ring election. Don't implicate yourself the more, my brother. Thank you and God bless.